Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another morning market analysis live for you guys. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil, give you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. If you guys do trade the London session, make sure you guys look out for those London session analysis videos as well. They are definitely helpful to help find some areas that we're looking to go long and short. Also, we have tutorial videos up for you guys, and our weekly trades that we put on the small account as well. So make sure you guys check those out. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump into the markets here. So S&P 500 been bullish nicely since these obviously these 97.25s a little bit before the London session, and it continued to go higher from there. And you can see we're continuing bullish again. Now, a couple areas we may have support on. 47.29.50, we're catching some support right now. Could go up and retest right around these 40 to 41s. So keep an eye out for that. Still strongly bullish, so you want to keep that in mind. Want to trade with the trend, which is the long opportunities. Now, below that, next level, 47.17.25. As we found a little bit of support when it pulled back here. Want to see it pull back a little bit deeper into around like 47.10, but it didn't necessarily get down there. So next level for me for support, 17.25, and below that you got a main one, 46.97.25 as support as well. So a couple areas we could see this continue this bullish run. For those who want to be short, you could try to get the fade off of the top here, but just keep in mind, going to be very risky to try to go short. Maybe if you get underneath these 97s, that's going to be a clear indication that price wants to try to drop off from there. So you could definitely keep the short in mind underneath that level, but I'm more than likely going to be going long if we open it above 97 for the US session. So we'll see what happens, but we got to hold some of our levels. Let's move over to a smaller chart for S&P. So pulling this up for you guys, you can see on the smaller chart, nicely held two bounces here and has continued to try to push the upside. We'll see if it can take it back up to these 44s, I guess. Yeah, somewhere around there. That's where we kind of stalled at. Well, no, 41, 42. That's where we stalled it. So maybe it could take some movement to the upside here and then maybe get a nice double top. You could try to fade that if you want. If not, if it continues to hold this, look for the bullish idea, even if as it comes down into these 17s and or 97s, this could still be some long opportunities for the bullish run. But again, below 97 will be the opportunity to short for me. So we'll look out for that. Let's move over into gold. Let's see what's going on with gold. So gold, a similar scenario showing up here, bullish just like S&P 500. A couple areas of support. 1787.1 is the first area that we've kind of found support already off of one bounce. So maybe come back, give a nice double bottom, and then try to push up from this area to retest the resistance of 91 to 92.5. That's our key area of resistance right now. If not there, below that, 1782.2 is the next level of support, and below that, a pretty key zone, 1775.7. If we stay above this, we could definitely see continuation of the bull run. If we get below this, more than likely looking for this to collapse into 70.8, then 66, and then below that. So could be some good opportunities on gold as well, but right now still bullish as well on gold. Let's move over into crude oil. So for crude oil, I am looking to see what we kind of do right here. We held nice support for a while here on crude right off of 71.46, and we pushed up into a resistance into 72.02 and then came right back down. So I am looking to see if we fail to go through this level of 71.46, or if we break through. If we break through, retest and hold the support, look for the continuation up. If we just fail here, right off these 71.46s, look for this to try to retest the downside of 71.10 and below that 70.67. So this bar is going to be a pretty interesting bar to look out for those who want to trade crude oil. For me, if we can't get through it, I will be looking for a short down, maybe even before the US session open. But if we can, I'll look for a retest and a continuation. So that's going to be the opportunity there. Below, again, 7110 is 7067 and then 7035. Above 7202, resistances 7229, 7260, and 7298. So keep an eye out for those as well on crude oil. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Make sure you guys have those levels and you patiently wait for the market to get to those areas so you can see where buyers and sellers are going to step in. But again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Make sure if you guys trade the London session, you check out the London session market analysis videos, tutorial videos up for you guys if you're struggling or if you want to learn a little bit about trading. And also you can check out the weekly trade recap that we do for you guys as well. They put that up too. Other than that though, you guys take care. Make sure you guys trade with discipline today. For those who are going to be in the room with us at the US session open, I will see you guys then. Take care. Have a good one.